Let us understand how data is deleted using delete statement. Delete statement will have optional where clause where we specify the condition to filter for rows that need to be deleted. As part of the where clause, generally we will have indexed column for performance reasons. Especially if you are building web or mobile applications, typically we'll have primary key fields such as order ID to actually delete a order from the given database. Again, I'm reiterating, one need to have decent database and SQL skills to be comfortable with all types of application development where database is relevant. Feel free to master SQL using PostgreSQL as target database using this course or the playlist. Both are available for free. The course interface might change a bit, but playlist is from YouTube. You should be able to watch the videos from this playlist. That being said, let me run this Python notebook so that I can create the connection object by name SMS_connection. In this case, it is not running. You can see here it is still showing the square brackets here. Even if I run this again, it is not running. The reason is, if you look at the top right, the kernel is not set. You just have to click on this, choose the kernel, and then you should be able to run this. In this case, we have used Python 3 kernel and we should be able to create SMS connection object. Before actually programmatically delete the record, I am trying to validate the existing data. For that, I am using standard SQL. For that, I am just loading this SQL magic, create this environment variable called as database_URL so that I can connect to the database and run this query. You can see the details here. We have 3 records where password is none, and then 3 records where we have some password. In this case, I will try to delete all those records where password is none or null, and also the user ID 4. This is how the query will look like. We are saying delete from users where user password is null or user ID equal to %yes, which is nothing but a placeholder. For this placeholder, we have to pass additional argument in the form of tuple like this, and we should be able to run this. It will take care of deleting 4 records, these 3 and also this one. You should be able to validate by running this query directly. You can see that there are only 2 records with user ID 5 and 6. So this is how you can actually take care of deleting the records using specific where condition based upon your requirements. So this actually concludes create, update as well as delete from CRUD. Now we have to understand how to read the data from the table using different criteria. Let's get into those details. Make sure you are comfortable with the create, update and delete, and also read, which actually take care of all aspects of CRUD operations: create, read, update and delete.